Hey guys, Tim McCamus out in the shop today, and we've got some more new products to introduce. So we've got a couple of things going on here. You guys probably familiar with the FuelTech systems. They're the guys that have blown onto the drag racing scene several years back, and they have got some incredible products. I mean, they do some really cool stuff. They're controlling everything that goes on in these cars, and we have been working with them since they started doing different components for their ECUs and dash modules. So what I've got here is a brand new introduction of stuff, and you can obviously see a model of the 700 and the 700 Plus. This new ECU dash unit is the 700 is going to be a 7-inch screen, and this monster back here, the 700 Plus, is a 12-inch screen. Really cool, you know, just like everything else. Just like your cell phone's getting bigger, you know, they pack more features into them. Same thing here. These screens are now obviously larger. They do have a ton of features that they've added. I mean, they have, you can control everything from the dash itself. You can stream this to your information. You can stream it to your phone. You can make changes on the dash, send it back and forth between the two. After the run, you can wirelessly connect to your computer in your trailer, your laptop, whatever you want. Very cool. They're adding a lot of stuff, and these things just keep getting more powerful and more productive. So very nice. You can check out the FuelTech website to get all the feature upgrades, but this stuff is really nice. So with that, we like to communicate with them and keep on top of what they're doing so that we can be ahead on new product releases. So we've had this stuff for quite a while, and the reason is that we make you know, dashes and components to fit, to kind of complement these products. So this carbon dash that's here on the bench is our newest production part for the 700. So you can kind of see the face of it. It's modeled after this the 700 unit, which will fit conveniently right in there, so it's recessed back in there, gives it a nice flush look. So these dashes are, we have a ton of models of dashes now to fit several different options of control screens. But dashes come with end caps, so they're made to trim to fit. You can trim them to fit the dash area of your car, and then you'll have a cap that goes on that to a carbon cap that will finish off the end of the dash. But to mount this, we also have a kit for the 700 and 700 Plus, which is this tab here is going to be the mounting plate back tab for these dashes. And conveniently enough, both of them, they made the backs the same bolt pattern, same configuration, so the clearances and everything are consistent between the two. So no matter which one that you use, this kit will fit the 700 or the 700 Plus. This kit's going to come with this 4130 laser cut tab. It's also going to have some 3/8 tubing for the bottom mount, so that there's a little step off of this tab here. Normal mounts are to mount to the steering column supports on the chassis. So you come up off that, you come over and down, 3/8 tube to mount the bottom, and then you have a couple 1/4-inch tubes to come off the back corners here and go back to the dash bar or back to the steering column support tubes. So obviously you can see these are quite substantial, so you want to really mount this solid to that steering column. But you can take this kit, mount either one of these, and then grab a carbon dash here and finish off that area of the car. It really looks nice. And once you get used to running this, basically you can do anything you want to the tuning. You can change the tune-up in the staging lanes. I mean, they just do everything. I can't even list all the stuff. They have got so many features packed into these new control dashes that it's unbelievable. So check out FuelTech if you want to see that. Check out our website if you want to see the products that complement these. So you got your mounting kit and your carbon fiber dash. So look at it, call us with any questions, and we will be glad to help you out. And thanks for watching.